In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock bots on chess.com and how to access the full list of computer opponents you can play against right now. If you enjoy practicing chess against bots of different skill levels, this guide will help you understand exactly where to find them and how to unlock more of them on chess.com. Some bots are free to play, while others require a membership, and I'll walk you through both options step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple chess and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Once the website loads, sign into your chess.com account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. After logging in, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Next, hover your mouse over the play icon in the left sidebar. This icon usually looks like a small chessboard. When you hover over it, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Computer. This will take you to the chess.com bot section where you can play against AI opponents. Once the page loads, you'll see a large collection of chess bots with different personalities and skill levels. These bots are organized into categories such as beginner, intermediate, advanced, and sometimes special themed bots. Each bot has a rating and a unique style of play, which makes practicing more interesting. Now here's the important part. Some bots will be available for free, while others will have a small lock icon on them. If a bot does not have a lock icon, you can click on it and start playing immediately. This is a great way to practice if you're just starting out or if you want to test different strategies. However, if you want to unlock all the bots available on chess.com, you'll need a chess.com premium membership. To do that, open a new tab and go to chess.com/membership. Here you'll see different membership plans such as Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. Choose the plan that works best for you. If you've never used a trial before, you may see an option that says try free for 7 days. Click that button and follow the checkout process. Once your membership is activated, the locked bots will instantly become available. After that, return to the Play versus Computer page. You'll now be able to select from the full list of bots and challenge any personality you want, from beginner-friendly opponents all the way to very strong advanced bots. Practicing against bots is a great way to improve your chess skills because you can play at your own pace and experiment with different openings and strategies without pressure. And that's it. That's exactly how to unlock bots on chess.com and start playing against a wider range of computer opponents. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.